And I was so sad in 64 when I had to leave. I cried. I told my dad, I did. No, seriously, I cried. I told my dad, no, I don't want to go. Because, you know, you need to make opportunities for yourself and stuff like that. I know we had a gathering. I don't know how many of you were there. We had this great gathering in my house, and mom cooked through the night, you know, for that thing, and we've never met since then until 2007. But it was good time. Now, talking about people of ours. John, this is a story for you. Yeah. Because I know you're in church and everything. You know, this guy is 65, he goes to the church and he says, I've got a confession. So the guy says, so this priest says, what do you want to do? What's the problem? You look like, you know, you're a great guy. There's no, I'm 65 years old, and I was on the beach the other day and I met up with these 3 young ladies. And I took them back to my hotel. I'm saying this, confession. And I made love to them all night. Wow. So the priest says, now, and you want to confess? No. I'm not Christian. I'm Jewish. So what are you doing here? He says, at my age, I'm telling everybody. There's this other 65-year-old lady who goes into a supermarket. This is for the ladies, I guess. She's just walking in and she says, I want to buy cat food. And the girl at the counter looks at it and says, I'm sorry ma'am, can't help you. There's a lot of old people, you know, nowadays they buy food and they have it for themselves. I need to see your pet. So the old lady says, but I just walked all the way from my house. What do you want me to do? I'm sorry, I've got to see your pet before I actually send you the cat food. So this old lady goes back to the house, picks up the cat, comes back to the supermarket and she says, can I have my cat food now? She says, okay, here you are. A week later she comes back and she says, I want to buy dog food. And she says, no, you can't. I've got to see your pet before. Because a lot of old people don't know what they're doing and they eat pet food and it's not good for them. And I need to see that you actually have a dog. So she goes back to the house, puts the dog on the leash, brings it back all the way to the supermarket. And the girl gives her the dog food and she says, okay. A week later she comes in with a can in her hand. She goes up to the counter and she says, put your finger in there. There's a little hole in the can. She says, put the finger in there. And she says, why? There's something in there that might hurt me. She says, no, it's not going to hurt you. So the girl at the counter puts the finger in there, and she feels something soft and everything, pulls it out, and says, smells like shit. Thank you. I need toilet paper. Don't mess with old people.